It's a universal truth. Those last few pounds are the most stubborn. You're not alone in this struggle. It's a hurdle that many face on their weight loss journey. Even as the scales refuse to budge, remember, I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Yes, that's straight from Philippians 4 verse 13, giving us the strength to persist. But fear not, we have some tips to help you conquer that weight loss plateau. First, understand why plateaus happen. It's not you, it's science. Now let's delve into the world of weight loss plateaus. Imagine your body as a super smart machine that's always trying to maintain a balance. You start losing weight and your body thinks, things are changing, I need to adapt. So it does. It becomes more efficient in using energy and therefore burns fewer calories than it did before. This, my friends, is a weight loss plateau. But fear not, this is not a sign of defeat. It's a common part of the weight loss journey. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, I've noticed you're making some changes, I'm just trying to keep up. You see, when you decrease your calorie intake or increase your physical activity to lose weight, your body responds by slowing down its metabolic rate. This is basically the speed at which your body burns calories for energy. It's as if your body is saying, we're not getting as much food as we used to, we better save some energy. This adaptation helps us survive in times of food scarcity, but it can feel like a roadblock in our weight loss journey. And let's not forget the role of muscles here. As you lose weight, you're likely to lose some muscle along with fat. And since muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, losing muscle can slow down your metabolic rate even further. It's like a double whammy. However, remember the story of David and Goliath? The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Your plateau is your Goliath, and with the right strategy, you can be the David who overcomes it. So, don't be disheartened if you hit a plateau. It doesn't mean you're doing something wrong, it's just your body doing its thing, adjusting to the new normal. But just like any other wall, this one can be climbed over too. Now, let's dive into those 10 tips to help you lose those last few pounds. First, let's talk about the most important commandment: thou shalt not skip meals. It might seem counterintuitive, but skipping meals can actually slow down your metabolism and trigger overeating later on. Think of your body as a well-oiled machine that needs fuel to function efficiently. If you don't give it the fuel it needs, it's going to start slowing down and storing fat instead of burning it. Second commandment: thou shalt drink plenty of water. Water is a crucial part of weight loss. It helps to keep you full, keep your body functioning properly, and even boost your metabolism. So drink up. And remember, if you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated. Thirdly, thou shalt get plenty of sleep. You might be surprised to learn that sleep plays a vital role in weight loss. Lack of sleep can mess with your hunger hormones, leading to increased appetite and cravings. So get those 8 hours of beauty sleep. Fourth commandment: thou shalt keep a food diary. Keeping track of what you eat can help you identify patterns and make better food choices. It's like having a personal detective on your weight loss journey. Fifth commandment: thou shalt not fear fats. Healthy fats, that is. Foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds are packed with healthy fats that can actually help you lose weight by keeping you fuller for longer. So, don't be afraid to add a little fat to your plate. Moving on to the sixth commandment: thou shalt move thy body. Exercise is a crucial part of any weight loss plan. It doesn't have to be an hour-long intense workout, just get moving. Take a walk, dance in your living room, do a pose or two of yoga, or, hey, park at the far end of the parking lot when going to the grocery store. That's exercise too. Anything that gets your heart rate up will do. The seventh commandment is, thou shalt eat plenty of fiber. Fiber is like the unsung hero of weight loss. It keeps you full, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even reduce the amount of calories your body absorbs from food. So load up on those fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Eighth commandment: thou shalt not neglect protein. Protein is essential for weight loss. It helps build and maintain muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Plus, it keeps you full, which can help curb overeating. Ninth commandment: thou shalt manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your weight loss efforts. It can trigger cravings, lead to emotional eating, and even slow down your metabolism. So find healthy ways to manage stress like meditation, deep breathing, or even just a good old-fashioned belly laugh. And finally, the 10th commandment: thou shalt be patient. Weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time to make lasting changes and see real results. So be patient with yourself and remember, slow and steady wins the race. And if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed with all these commandments, remember this little nugget from the Bible. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. You have the strength to overcome any obstacle, including a weight loss plateau. So there you have it, the 10 commandments of weight loss. Follow these guidelines and you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. With these tips, you'll be waving goodbye to those last few pounds in no time. Now, for a personal story of triumph over the weight loss plateau. Let me share with you a tale of determination and resilience. It's about my dear friend Sarah, a spirited lady from the heart of Mississippi. Sarah, like many of us, struggled with her weight for years. She tried everything, from crash diets to punishing gym routines. But no matter what, she always hit that dreaded weight loss plateau. One day she decided she'd had enough. She was determined to find a way to break through this plateau. She started researching, reading books, consulting experts. She even started taking notes on her body's responses to different diets and exercises. She became her own scientist, her body the subject of her experiment. Sarah began to realize that the plateau wasn't a wall, but a challenge she could overcome with the right approach. She found out that our bodies are smart. They get used to routines and start conserving energy. That's what the plateau was. Her body had adapted to her old routines. So what did Sarah do? She changed things up. She started incorporating different exercises into her routine. She tried new, healthier recipes. She started meditating to manage her stress, which was contributing to her weight. She stopped focusing on the scale and started focusing on how she felt. It was not an overnight transformation. There were days when Sarah wanted to give up, when she questioned if it was all worth it. But she remembered a verse from the Bible, Proverbs chapter 24, verse 10. If you falter in times of trouble, how small is your strength? Sarah found her strength in those words. She pushed through with humor and grace, and one day she realized she had done it. She had broken through the plateau. She had lost those stubborn last few pounds. But more than that, she had gained a new perspective on health and wellness. She learned to listen to her body, to respect it, to nurture it. See, if she can do it, so can we. But wait, there's more. Now that we've journeyed through the weight loss struggle, understood plateaus, and revealed the 10 commandments of weight loss, it's time to unveil a bonus tip. This might come as a surprise, but it's incredibly valuable and often overlooked. Ready for it? Here it is. Cultivate gratitude. Yes, you heard right. Gratitude. You see, the journey to weight loss is not just about the physical, it's also about the mental and emotional. When we cultivate a sense of gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to the abundance that's already present. Feeling grateful for our bodies, just as they are, helps to foster a positive mindset. And a positive mindset can do wonders for your weight loss journey. It's the fuel that keeps you going even when the going gets tough. So, start each day with a moment of gratitude. And that's our secret weapon for you. Now, armed with these tips, you're ready to conquer. You're on the brink of a new chapter in your weight loss journey, and you've got the tools to make it happen. Remember, it's not just about losing those last few pounds. It's about embracing a healthier, more fulfilled version of yourself. Take these 10 commandments of weight loss to heart and put them into action. Remember our personal journey we shared? Let it inspire you. You're not alone in this fight. We're all in this together, sharing in the triumphs and the trials. And hey, we want to hear from you too. If you've got a tip that's helped you get over a weight loss plateau or a story of your journey, share it in the comments. Your experiences could be just the spark someone else needs to keep going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's keep the conversation and the inspiration flowing. As we wrap up, remember this. In the grand tapestry of life, each thread, each challenge we face is an opportunity for growth, a stepping stone towards becoming the best version of ourselves. There's a quote that says, "Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength." This quote, attributed to the great Arnold Schwarzenegger, is a testament to the power of perseverance and the strength that lies within us all. Just like in our weight loss journey, there will be times when the scale doesn't budge, when the sweat and sacrifice don't seem to be paying off. But remember, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. It's about the strength you gain from overcoming obstacles, the resilience you build from facing adversity, the courage you cultivate from pushing beyond your comfort zone. Life is full of plateaus, but each plateau is an opportunity to catch our breath, reevaluate our strategies, and then push on with renewed vigor. It's not about how fast we reach our goal, but the strength and wisdom we gain from the journey. So as you continue on your journey, remember this pearl of wisdom from the ancient philosopher Lao Tzu. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each step you take is a testament to your strength, your courage, your determination. Remember, you're stronger than you think. Keep going. Until next time.